What's up, guys? So we're gonna here making a video, as you can tell from the title, are gonna replace our tailgate striker bolt because mine's kind of worn. Because you can see that bushing on there, right there, where the little space is gone on mine, and I'm pretty sure after 14 years now of going on and off, it's worn. And let's take a look at it. It is. It's pretty worn a little bit. You can tell right there. Well, sorry. Be cool if I showed you the right place, you know. Yeah, a little worn here and there, and I think the driver's side's worse. I got one just to try it out, and I also got some of the little rubber stoppers last night. These are like 12 bucks at O'Reilly's. It's kind of annoying. I'll put down the bump number below. It's a dormant. And then I got this, which is a dormant 2, which is that part number. So I'll replace, I don't know which one. I just wanted to try it out and see how it works, so I'll show you. But this is the reason why. The tailgate rattles. It doesn't do as bad because the rubber stops. I got this new cool headlight, man. It's kind of cool, but I don't know. It's hard to tell. But anyways, it doesn't do as much anymore. But so I was like, I just kind of want to stop it completely. This side's worse than the other side, so I might replace the driver's side. But yeah, this will stop that sound. So when you're driving down the road and you just hear that clanking. So sometimes I do, and it's kind of annoying, and I just don't want it to sound all junky. But let's get her done. Oh yeah, this side's way worse than the other side. I'm thinking either this one's just more worn out than like for some reason, or that one got replaced. So not sure what it is, but yeah, this side's really bad. So we're definitely gonna do this side. So we're gonna get a Torx head for that. I'm gonna show you. Focus. Well, it's just that. So, and I heard you have to take the tail light out. So we'll take that out and make sure that I don't have to or lose a little washer that they say sometimes you lose. So there is a nut that holds onto it. So we'll have to take that off, and so we don't lose it. So it's a 15 millimeter nut. So I already loosened it, but so I don't have to use a Torx or Allen wrench or whatever to get the back on. You put it back on, make sure you line it right where it was. You can kind of see where the little rust ring or whatever you want to say it is. So you kind of want to line it up so it's not hitting or whatever. So make sure it doesn't jam. Okay, so we put her back in, and listen to that. Come on. I hear more that on that side than I do this side now. So I'll definitely have to do that. And these were like $13 too. Somewhere between $1 and $100. But you can obviously tell like that is worn. And that actually helps a lot. So make sure that's tight and good, and you should be set. But yeah, I'll put down a link below to get these or where to order them, or O'Reilly's, go to our parts. And it's definitely worth it if you have a rattling tailgate. Do it.